I'm taking you to one of the best excursion ever.
Okay.
You're going to see it by yourself. So let's see.
All right, let's do it. So
yeah.
tell us about this excursion. What are we going to be doing out there?
You're going to ride a down buggy. You know what is a down buggy, right?
Yeah.
It's a little bit car. After that, you are going to go to the cave adventure. That is a wonderful natural cave that is from our country. You have colorful water. It's super cool, and you are going to enjoy it. I promise you.
Wow, awesome. Very exciting. We're looking forward to it. And for all of you back home, definitely hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and comment down below. What do you think of these shore excursions today? And we really appreciate you subscribing to How to Have Fun Outdoors live from Dominican Republic. Got a great video for you today on how to have fun outdoors. That's right, another great outdoor adventure from Alice and Tommy T. This time, that's right, La Romana, Dominican Republic. Super awesome location down in the Caribbean, and we're here to show you the dune buggy and cave adventure shore excursion. We were on the Carnival Freedom. We heard all about this trip. We definitely loved it. We hope you love it. Check it out. Leave your comments down below, and let's go do some side-by-side out in the countryside of La Romana, Dominican Republic. All right, a bandana's recommended out on this buggy tour. So just pop it on like that. Yep. They sell them for $5 each over there, whatever color you want. You picked a red, Alice?
Red Ferrari.
All right, and I've got the black for the bad guys. So let's get going. Let's go check these out.
Two-seaters this way.
Hi, buddy. Hey, there he is.
Come on. It's time to go.
All right, wait.
Alice, pretty awesome, huh?
I love these things.
Huh?
Yep.
You love your side-by-side, that's for sure. Little dune buggy in it.
Yep.
And DR.
And some good dirt.
Yeah, we got some dirt all over us already. We're getting this thing dirty. Let's go, man.
You said we have a problem.
What the heck?
Flat tire on a 54x4.
What the heck? That's what happens. That's what happens when you have an Italian driver right there. What the hell?
Alice was having a great time, bouncing all around, up and down. She likes to be rough. And boy, oh boy, did she go crazy on this side-by-side, blowing out a tire on that beautiful Can-Am Maverick Trail side-by-side. And this thing was awesome. 650cc, single-cylinder, liquid-cooled, integrated front steel bumper. And it has it all, four-wheel drive, 12-inch steel wheels. And we went crazy on it and blew out the tire, as you can see there. But they moved us on over to a nice Honda four-seater side-by-side Pioneer, and we had a lot of fun in that one. And what was great is we were way behind the rest of the group, so we were able to really open it up and get some speed on the trails, and we had a blast. And we're going to take you for the rest of the ride here and then head off to that awesome cave where you're going to see some fun swimming.
was just trying to have fun. What are you guys doing? Come on.
Everybody say ciao.
Hey. All right, look at that. You guys got zip lines?
Yeah.
Come on.
We have two. The other one is the mountain, maybe 30, 40 minutes from here. And
Okay.
the other one is here.
Yeah, that's pretty
And
sweet.
we have the back services in Adventure Buggies.
All right, pretty awesome. Well
Yeah.
done. Beautiful place you guys got.
After getting all muddy on the trails, this was a real treat to head down into this cave. As you can see here, it was just fantastic and beautiful. You don't know what to expect until you get down there, and it's just beautiful, clear water like you've never seen, all natural, and we had a great time swimming around, cooling off, and cleaning up, if you will. So we hope you enjoy the rest of the video, and you're going to love this beautiful natural cave.
All right, Alice, you ready to do this?
Oh, yes, I am.
Let's go do some swimming. Let's go.
All right.
Hey.
3, 2, 1, let's go.
And a little fruit for the ride home, huh? Look at that. Well done. Great trip, guys. We're in Dominican Republic with the Arito, and we're with the Adventure Buggies. What an awesome time, side by side. Take a look at these guys, amazing. Hope you loved the video. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and thank you so much for watching.